You've got to make a dress. Maybe it's for a special event, a client, or you just really want to rock your own design. But there's one big problem. You have no idea where to start, and you definitely don't want to waste time, ruin expensive fabric, or throw money down the drain. You've tried looking for classes, but everything out there is just wrong. It's either a bunch of random short videos that don't actually teach, but leave you more confused than before, or it's outdated, overpriced fashion schools that only care about your money, dragging on forever and never get to the point. None of it gets you where you need to be. You just want something fast, clear, easy to follow, and actually helpful. That's where Dressmaking Academy comes in. We've got tons of step-by-step video classes, broken down into quick, bite-sized lessons so you can learn exactly what you need, when you need it. From basic sewing and pattern making to designing jaw-dropping gowns, we make dressmaking fast, fun, and stress-free. Hate drafting patterns? No worries, we've got you covered. Our Sew Ready pattern sets fit any body type and size, so you get a perfect fit on the first try. No guessing, no frustration. And the best part? You won't be learning alone. Join a community of designers just like you. Share ideas, make friends, and get inspired. Seriously, our members love Dressmaking Academy. Just check out their reviews. Ready to stop stressing and start creating the designs of your dreams? Our library is packed with courses on a variety of topics, perfect for any skill level. Buy courses and patterns individually, or go all in with our all-access VIP membership, unlocking everything at once, plus free future updates so you'll never miss the latest techniques or designs. We can't wait to see what you'll make next. See you in the lessons!